Hello guys, so today we'll be talking about flash coins. Now it is very important to note that not every coin that comes into your wallet is real, and also not every email notification you get from Binance, you get from Bybit, you get from Coinbase is real. Some of them are fabricated. Now this is what we are going to be looking at today, how to actually know all those things and know that there are platforms like this that you can use for it. So this particular platform, you can use it to flash emails, you can use it to flash your wallets. I'm going to be looking at it. We are going to be overviewing the functionalities of this particular platform today. We are not going to be making a live transaction today. I'm going to make another video for a live transaction. I've tried some other things on this platform, and I'm just trying to check the functionalities before I'm putting myself into the platform. So the very first thing we have here is the front. I already logged into my own account, which is true here. This is my own account here. So we are going to be looking at, as you can see, I have pending transactions there. I didn't complete them, so I'm going to be doing another video that is going to be covering this and going to be showing us. Let's see how it works basically. So the very first thing we are going to be looking at is the Flash Crypto. This is BIIC. I don't know if that coin is on Trust Wallet. There's the BTC, there's the USDT. According to everything I was seeing here, it is put your BNB smart chain address. So basically this is BTC on BNB address on BNB network, USDT on BNB network too, and that is for the, as you can see, I've tried a lot of transactions. I was just trying them out to see how it works, but I've not completed anyone. So I'm going back. I'm going to be adding the new video I'm doing on the live transaction in this place. I'm going to put it here. So this is flash emails. So flash emails, when you receive emails from Binance, when you receive emails, so you have to be careful about them, because not all of those emails are real. You understand? So emails are, those kind of emails are coming for platforms like this. So you just flash and it goes to your email, and you feel like you receive a credit transaction from your provider, your crypto provider. So that is what this platform is basically made for. So for this video is going to be really short. I'm bringing this platform to you. If you are going to be using or trying it out, use my referral code. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.